Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Streamlabs on Mac step by step. Streamlabs is an all-in-one streaming and recording app used for YouTube, Twitch, Facebook gaming, and more. It lets you go live, record your screen, add overlays and alerts, and manage your entire stream from one place. This tutorial works on both Intel Macs and Apple Silicon Macs, including M1, M2, M3, and newer. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your Mac. In the address bar, go to streamlabs.com. I'll also leave the link in the video description below. Once the website loads, click Download Streamlabs in the top right corner of the page. After clicking it, a pop-up will appear asking you to choose your Mac's processor type. You'll see two options, Mac with Intel processor or Mac with Apple Silicon chip. Before choosing, make sure you know which processor your Mac is using. To check, click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, then select About this Mac. If you see Apple M1, M2, M3, or any M-series chip, choose Mac with Apple Silicon on the Streamlabs website. If you see Intel listed as the processor, choose Mac with Intel processor instead. Once you select the correct option, the download will start automatically. This may take a few seconds, depending on your internet connection. When the download is finished, open your Downloads folder and double-click the Streamlabs installer file. Agree to the license terms and agreement. A new window will appear. Simply drag the Streamlabs app into the Applications folder. This will copy the app to your Applications folder. Once it's finished, close the window and move the installer to the trash. Next, go to Applications and double-click Streamlabs to launch it. If macOS shows a security message saying the app was downloaded from the internet, just click Open to confirm. When Streamlabs launches for the first time, it may ask for permissions like screen recording, microphone, or camera access. Make sure to allow these so everything works correctly. After that, you'll be asked to log in. You can sign in using your email. Next, connect Streamlabs to YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, or another supported platform. Or you can skip this step and set it up later. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Streamlabs on your Mac. You're now ready to start streaming, recording videos, and customizing your setup with overlays and alerts. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.